Nice cake, Joyce. It looks amazing. And done. I think Lily is going to like this cake. Let's surprise her. Watch out! Are you okay? Oh man, my cake! I don't have enough time to make another one. What am I going to do? Instead of cake, how about waffles? First, add all of the dry ingredients together. Don't forget to sift it to remove the lumps. Stir it up. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. Make sure to whisk up the eggs before adding all of the other wet ingredients. Now add the wet to the dry and then mix. Separate the batches with different colors. Then put the batter into resealable plastic bags. Can't wait to see how these waffles turn out. With a preheated waffle maker, spray with cooking oil. Add red into the outermost circle and continue adding more colors until you reach the middle. Close it up and all you have to do is wait for it to cook. Add whipped cream to make it look like clouds. And don't forget the sprinkles for more magic. Happy birthday, Lily!
Wow, it's for me? Thank you!
No problem. Now blow the candle. Okay.
Wow, it looks so nice, Joyce. I love this waffle birthday cake.
No problem. Whew, this waffle saved my day.
Now sit down, we can eat it together.
Okay.
Oh my god, this summer is so hot.
Yeah, Lily, it's really hot. We should check the AC.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's go.
Yeah, okay. That's weird. Nothing's changing.
Why is it not doing anything?
I don't think it's working.
I wish we had a fan. It's so hot.
Want a fan as cool as Lily's hair? With permanent markers, lightly scribble across the blades of the fan. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Because once it starts spinning, it will look amazing. What a cool fan! And it helps you stay cool too.
Oh, it feels so good. Thanks for the fan, Joyce, and I really like the color.
Oh, it's no problem, Lily. Joyce, those don't look very nice. And done. Lily, look, I finished my rainbow nails. Does it look like the picture?
I don't think so. I think you just messed up your nails.
Oh man, I really want nice nails so I can see my boyfriend.
Don't worry, Joyce, I can help you.
Want colorful nails? Grab some skewers and nail polish. Then dip the skewer into some nail polish. Now, drag it across your nail. Continue the process switching colors. Just one after another. Amazing! They already look so cute! And there you have it, a rainbow on your nails. Wow, Lily, you look so nice, thank you!
No problem, your boyfriend's gonna love your new nails.
Wait, really? Oh, I'm gonna go show him now. Thank you, Lily. Bye! That's so funny. Look at what she's doing.
Joyce, can you face the phone towards me? I want to see it more.
Oh, okay. Here. Can you see?
Oh, thank you.
Having trouble there, Joyce? Oh no, the phone. Oh my gosh, my phone.
Is your phone okay?
My phone's okay, but my hand hurts too much to hold it. I think we need a phone stand. Need help holding your phone? Try this phone stand. Grab all the color pencils needed. Then take the first three and tie them together using a rubber band. Separate the bottom and attach 3 more. One on one side and one on the other. Don't forget to connect it. So grab another color pencil and connect it to the back. Now, all you have to do is tie it to the front. All done. Now, with our rainbow phone stand, we can enjoy our favorite videos.
Wow, you're so creative, Joyce.
Oh, it's no problem. Now let's enjoy.
I like your shirt.
Me too. It's such a nice color. Are you excited for today?
Yeah, I'm excited to see that movie we're talking about.
Me too. Huh? Ew, Lily, my shoelaces are so dirty.
It's okay. Nobody's gonna be looking at your shoes anyways.
Yeah, but they're disgusting. Sorry, I don't want to go anymore.
Oh, Joyce, okay, I'll fix it for you.
Now let's fix those shoelaces, shall we? Grab all of the permanent markers needed. Now, with a shoelace, color it using the permanent markers. Don't worry about the coloring. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because once sprayed with isopropyl alcohol, the colors will spread. Perfect!
Now you have rainbow shoelaces. Do you like them?
Wow, they're so pretty! Let me try them on.
So how does it look, Joyce?
I really love it, thank you!
No problem, Joyce. Let's go watch your movie now.
Sounds good, let's go! I'm gonna be late!
Yeah, let's go. Joyce, do you have eyeshadow?
Yeah, I have a little palette right here. Oh man, I dropped it. Lily, can you help me get it, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh shoot, it's broken, Joyce.
What? What do you mean? Broken?
Your eyeshadow palette's broken.
Really? Let me see. Oh no!
Oh man, how am I supposed to do my eyeshadow now?
Got a broken palette? Don't worry. Grab the broken eyeshadow and line them up within an empty palette. Spray some isopropyl alcohol and line it up with parchment paper. Using a bottle cap, smooth it out. Remove the parchment and look at that pigment. It's beautiful. Here, Lily. Now you can do your rainbow eyeshadow.
Thank you, Joyce. Let me try it. Joyce, how does it look?
It looks amazing. Can I try it?
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.